Hey, we're back here at She Is Marbles, and today I am going over the bathroom caddy, which should be on every woman's gift list. If it's not, pencil it in right now. So what is a bathroom caddy and why it should be on every girl's wish list? Basically, a bathroom caddy is everything, all you need in one. And different materials. This particular one is bamboo. Bamboo is environmental friendly. Bathroom caddies, especially this one that I will present to you, could hold anything from the wine glass that you need after a long day of work, the candle to relieve the stress, soaps to keep your hygiene friendly, a book holder, you name it. A caddy is basically your Sunday cozy one-on-one. Bathroom caddy I'm going to unbox today in front of you comes in 4 different colors. I chose white for more of a serene feel. It comes in brown, gray, bamboo, and of course the white that I just mentioned before. Along with all the items I mentioned before, it also has a phone slot. So if you do have a water resistant, waterproof phone, it has a phone slot there. This came from Royal Craftwood. Here, this is how, if you'll get it, the bamboo bathroom caddy from Royal Craftwood. This is how it comes. Here's the front, so you can see the compartments here of the soap dish, the glass holder. You could adjust from 29 to 43 inches. Now there are 4 silicone grips in the box that prevent the caddy from slipping. So I guess this is the key important part. You can split the silicone pieces into 4 parts. You stick the grips to the bottom corners of the caddy handle. The maintenance instruction, because how are we going to keep this weight? It recommends wiping with a damp cloth after each use and store it in a dry place. Now you could play whatever music you like. You could light your sage. Just create the most relaxing environment for yourself. Now let me get back to reading. Until next time, bye Chica.